Hello students, we are doing the brain teasers of length, weight and capacities, and we have already discussed the 5 questions of brain teasers. Now today let us discuss the remaining questions. So here the 6th question is, Ria bought 5 kg of almonds and she gave 800 gram to her maid. That is 5 kg almond she has purchased or bought, and out of this 5 kg she has given 800 grams of almonds to her maid. अपनी maid को उसने दे दिए. And 1 kg 300 grams to her neighbor. और जितने बचे थे 800 grams देकर, उसमें से 1 kg and 300 grams उसने किसको दे दिए? अपने neighbor को. Now the question is how much almonds are left with Ria? तो रिया के पास कितने almonds अब भी बच गए? So what you have to do? You know there is a keyword left, but यहाँ पर दो जगह पर दिए हैं, and you have to find out the left almonds after giving it to maid and neighbor. So कैसे हम निकालेंगे? First of all, what we can do is total weight of almonds is 5 kg that she has bought. First of all, we will subtract the 800 grams of almonds that she has given to her maid. जो अपनी maid को उसने दिए वो हम subtract करेंगे. इससे हमारे पास जो बचे हुए almonds है वो मिल जाएंगे. After that जो बचे हुए almonds है उसमें से again उसने 1 kg 300 grams neighbor को दिए. वो again we will subtract that which is given to her neighbor. उसके बाद जो almonds बचेंगे that is the almonds that are left with Ria. This is one way. And second way is what you can do. First of all, find out the total weight of almonds that are given. So total weight of almonds that are given is 800 grams प्लस 1 kg 300 grams. ये टोटल वेट हो गया. दोनों को ऐड कर दे तो हमें वो वेट आ जाएगा जो उसने आलमंड्स दिए हैं. एंड देन वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम 5 kg बिकॉज 5 kg टोटल वेट था आलमंड्स का. सो यू कैन डू इन एनी वे. सो वी विल डू इट बाय द फर्स्ट वे दैट आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. सो दैट इज solution number 6th. So weight or total weight, or you can say weight of almonds bought, that is 5 kg. 5 kilograms of almonds are bought. Now she gave 800 grams to her maid. Out of this, she gave 800 grams to her maid. So, weight of almonds given to maid. Weight of almonds given to maid. Maid को कितने दे दिए उसने almonds? That is 800 grams. So 800 grams. kg नहीं है, only grams. So 800 grams. Now weight of almonds left. Weight of almonds left. कितने बच गए almonds? So subtract it. You will get 800 grams को हम subtract करेंगे 5 kg से. So how can we subtract? तो यहाँ पर grams कितने हैं हमारे पास? 000 grams. और यहाँ पर kg कितने हैं हमारे पास? 0 kg. Right? We will subtract it. इसको subtract करेंगे तो what we will get is weight of almonds left. इसको maid को देने के बाद कितने almonds उसके पास बच गए? How can we get 0? We'll borrow it from here. 10. What is left is 4. So it is 4 kg and 200 grams, right? 4 kilograms and 200 grams of almonds are left with Ria. Now again, she has given 1 kg and 300 grams to her neighbor. So weight of almonds given to neighbor. अब नेबर को कितना दे दिया उसने? 1 kg and 300 grams. Now weight of almonds left. Again, ये जो बचे हुए almonds थे उसमें से इसने किसको दे दिया? अपने नेबर को दे दिया. Subtract it, you will get the weight of almonds left. So subtract it, grams. Again, 2 is smaller than 3. Borrow 12. What is left here is 3. So it is 9, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 kilogram 900 grams. 2 kg 900 grams of almonds are left with Ria. So we can write 2 kg and 900 grams of almonds are left with Ria. This is the one way. The second way is, or we can also do it in another way. First of all, we will write weight of almonds almonds bought. So she bought 5 kilograms of almonds. Now weight of almonds given to maid, and weight of almonds given to neighbor. So 800 grams are given to maid, and 1 kg 300 grams are given to neighbor. Now we will find out that total weight of almonds given. Total weight of almonds given. That is, we'll add them. So it is 2 kg 100 grams. 2 kg 100 grams of almonds are given to maid and neighbor. Total weight आ गया. Now weight of almonds left with Ria. So how can we find out? Total weight minus जितना उसने दे दिया मेड को और नेबर को. This is the total weight जितना उसने दे दिया है, और this is the weight of almonds bought. So that is 5 kilograms minus 2 kg and 100 grams. Right. So यहाँ पर grams नहीं है, तो 000 grams. Now subtract it. 0 and 10. What is left here is 4. 900 grams, and here it is 2 kg. 2 kg 900 grams. So you can see here in both the cases the answer is same, 2 kg 900 grams. So आपको जो convenient लगता है you can do it with that method. यहाँ पर हमने total weight में से पहले जो मेड को दिया उसको माइनस किया, देन जो बचा है उसमें से फिर जो नेबर को दिया वो माइनस कर दिया अगेन, देन वी विल गेट द almonds left with Ria. And second case में, first of all we have find out the total weight of almonds that are given, that is 2 kg 100 grams, and then we subtracted the almond given from the total weight of almonds bought, that is 2 kg 900 grams. Now the next question. Shilu wants to prepare a cold drink for herself, and she pours 200 milliliter of cold water, 75 ml of rose syrup, and 300 ml of milk in a glass. What is the quantity of cold drink Shilu has made? Very easy question. शीलू प्रिपेयर कोल्ड ड्रिंक, और कोल्ड ड्रिंक बनाने के लिए उसने 200 ml कोल्ड वाटर लिया, 75 ml रोज सिरप एंड 300 ml ऑफ मिल्क। तो फिर सिरप जो कोल्ड ड्रिंक बना उसकी क्वांटिटी कितनी थी? द क्वांटिटी इज इक्वल टू द थ्री थिंग्स विच आर एडेड। जो तीनों चीजें क्या है, एक ग्लास में ऐड कर दी उसने। सो वी हैव टू ऐड ऑल दीज थ्री थिंग्स, दैट इज वाटर, रोज सिरप एंड मिल्क. So we will add and we can get the quantity of syrup made. So solution number 7. So quantity of water, cold water she has taken. So quantity of cold water which she has taken to make the syrup, then quantity of rose syrup, and then quantity of milk that she has taken. We will add these three things: 200 ml, 75 ml and 300 ml. The most important thing is arrange them in column properly and then add. Now quantity of cold drink, made, right? Quantity of cold drink made is equal to, add them, 575 ml. So Sheelu made 575 ml of cold drink, right? So this is a very easy question. And next is add. So the three weights are given and here the three lengths are given. You have to add them by arranging them in column. First of all, arrange them in column and then you have to add. Similarly, question number 9, subtract. Here the quantities are given, capacities are given, and here the lengths are given. You have to subtract these capacities and length by arranging them in column. So first of all, arrange them in column. You know how to arrange them. जब यहाँ पर from आ जाएगा तो second quantity you have to write on the top and first at the bottom. So ये आप लिखेंगे, properly arrange करेंगे and then subtract it. So try to do this question number 8 and 9 yourself. This is very easy, direct questions. To try to do it yourself. And in next video we will start unit 11, that is fractions. Thank you.